I want y'all to check this thing out. This is one of the coolest sunglass holders I found in a while. This is from the company SAMTURUI sunglass holder, and this, I got it in white here. I have been using it, but I put it back in the package for the purpose of this video. And look how good this thing looks. This looks extremely premium. Has the name on the back of it right there. Has a bending kind of hook that's built in, and this slides over your sun visor in your car, truck, or van or something like that, and it's magnetic. Look how that works. And it has like a really nice kind of reflective kind of gold color right there. And it just kind of like hangs down like that. And what I like about this one is the fact that it just, when you want to go and get your glasses down, you just pull on it and it pops right out. You don't have to do a little switch or anything like that. And that works extremely well for that. I was impressed on how well this thing works. This is one of these items you don't really know existed till you get it. And then once you get it, you realize that you never want to be without it for your sunglasses. So yeah, that's it, everybody. That's all I got today on the sunglass holder. See you on the next video.